Hello, I'm just going to make this quick short video to show you how you finish a gimp. So I've finished my rose ground and I now need to bring each of my gimps down through. So I'm going to start with this one on this side. So I'm still doing, so let me find my little piece of paper. Here we go. So my gimp is still on the right and it's going to the left. So it's going to go under the first bobbin and over the second and then twist that pair. So I'm just going to bring it down and over, under and over, under and over and twist. Don't forget your twist because that's really important. Under and over and twist, under and over and twist. So that's this gimp thread brought all the way down. Now this one's going to change shape slightly because we dealt with a half stitch on here, so it's not going to be quite as pointed. If you wanted it really pointed, you can get a pin and you can just put a holding pin in over there to hold your gimp. So let me just do the other side. So I'm going to again put a holding pin this side. Because the stitch is only a half stitch, it doesn't quite, it's not as firm as a cross stitch and twist, so it doesn't hold it as much. So I'm just putting those pins in. So as you can see, those pins shape the gimp. So we're now on the left and we're going to the right. So we're going over and under and twist. So I'm doing the twisting as I pick the bobbin up all in one go. Over, under and twist, over, under and twist, over and under and twist, over and under and twist. And now our bobbins are back in the middle together. So I'm going to put a twist on. Now you could leave your bobbins here, cut them off with a length and then darn the ends in. So this thread will go back up here a little way and this thread will go up this way a little way. But that would need to be done after you take it off. The other alternative is that we could actually darn them in now whilst we're working them. And in order to do that, because when you put a twist on a thread, it pushes the threads apart. So what you want to do is take off, we only need to take it back through, say, 3 pairs. So we've already come down and we've put our twist on these 3 pairs. So what I'm going to do is take the twist off, because this will ensure that this thread will sit next to this thread. There won't be a twist in between pushing them apart. So I'm now going to take this bobbin and it's on the right and it's going to the left. So it's going under and over. Now you put your twist on, under, over, twist, under, over, twist. And that means that that thread will now sit next to the thread coming down. So I'm just going to move it up over there out of the way. And this is all going to look a little bit random and not very strong because at the moment we haven't got the pins below in. So I'm going to now do the same with this other pair. So I'm going to bring in the 3 pairs. And the first thing I need to remember is to take my twist off. So I've taken my twist off and now this bobbin is on the left and it needs to go to the right. So it's going to go over and under and then I'm going to put my twist back on. Over, under, twist, over, under, twist. And that thread is now going to sit next to the original pink that was coming down. And I'm then going to put my gimp thread bobbins up out of the way and you can just give them a little tug. So the next stage is to come in and put in my last row of pins and I'm going to do them as a cross stitch and twist so it mirrors the start. And then there's already a video out on how to do a princess braid and I will put the link for that in the blurb on this video. I hope that makes sense. All you have to remember is to take the twist off if you put it on so that the 2 gimp threads sit side by side and they're not pushed apart by a twisted thread. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.